So I just looked at our utility bill. We usually pay about $200 a month, maybe $250 in the summer months when the air conditioner is running and all that. But it's usually less than $200 in the winter time, springtime, because we're not using a lot of electricity. And my bill is $447. You ever heard the expression of this pouring money down the drain? Well, figuratively, money, it just went down the shitter. Literally, figuratively, money just going down to the shitter. And you know what? You can see water is pouring straight down that drain. That goes to the back of your, down to the toilet. Now, you see those bolts there too? Hey, we are looking at catastrophic failure here soon. You gotta make sure you do some periodic checkup on your toilets. You wouldn't think that, you know, toilets would cause you a bunch of problems, but buddy, they will. Now, we're gonna replace this. It's gonna be a simple little deal. I'm gonna shut off the water line. And then we're gonna take and flush the toilet and let it drain out. And then there is going to be a nut on the bottom. I'm not going to do all the nitty-gritty details because I don't want to see it all video, but just know if you're having issues with your water, it's literally going down the drain. $200 worth of water a month. That's ridiculous. Now I have the water shut off, and it's going to just drain. And you can see that it's not filling up anymore. This does not have any water coming out of it at all. And I'm just going to continue to take in, flush this, so drain it all out. I will probably going to have to take and get a towel and dry up the rest of this inside. Okay, that's a lot of water still. You're literally going to just take and mesh the shaft length of this and make sure you have the same height that you did before. It's just a nut that goes on the bottom side. You'll undo your either plastic or metal coupling that goes to the bottom of this first, and then you're going to undo the nut. Once you get your water line out of the way, you can get like a small painter's bucket and use a the gasket was busted. I usually use a pair of channel locks like this. And I get on that nut and I just loosen it by hand, and then this you pull up and you get it out of the way and the water just drains out. And then installing it's just putting this on, and then you put your tube on at the top. Okay, we're doing the first fill. I know I need to cut that hose, so I'm just, you know, it's 9 o'clock at night, I don't care. Actually it's 10 o'clock now. I'm going to see what we need to do. See where it says water level? That's where we need to have it at. Not where it was before. Okay, and I'm going to make some adjustments. Dude, could be more perfect than that. It's right there at the level. Cool. And there you have it. There's how $10 of investment and maybe 20 minutes of your time can save you probably $1,000 worth of money just going down the drain. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. We'll see you next time.